Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. How are you doing? We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. My trades are pumping, which is beautiful. All coins are pumping. We're going to look at what I would buy, what I think is happening in the markets, and I'm going to show you what I do in the markets. I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin and the altcoin markets right now. The only thing that I think could pull back the markets at the moment is if there's any escalation with NATO and Russia. If there's no escalation and things start getting calmer, I think we could have a big pump in the crypto markets, in the stock markets. We're already seeing big returns. I think I made 30% in my stocks since we bought the bottom. I made around 30% in Bitcoins and crypto since we bought the bottom just the last week. And I am actively trading daily. I'm selling some days, I'm buying some days. I'm actively trading because the market conditions, the macro conditions, it's a difficult time. So make sure I'm actively monitoring my portfolio. So yes, sometimes I do sell a lot of my portfolio and then I do buy back even a few days later. I'm actively but those 10% drops, those 20% drops, depending on your portfolio size, can be huge amounts of money. And I learned not to just let my portfolio drop 20%, 30%, 50%. I'd rather sell it. If it drops 50%, beautiful. I get double the coins back, or almost 50% more coins, which is nice, or 50% more stocks. I like stacking my portfolio this way, and I'm making daily videos on this. I've been doing it for 20 years. I have more than 10 years teaching experience. I have 6,000 students taking my courses, 30,000 viewers a day on this video. I'm the founder of Magicraft, so I'm also a venture capitalist. So I'm a founder of projects, creator of projects, venture capitalist in many projects, and also a daily trader and an influencer. So I'm actually covering a lot of different aspects of cryptos and stock markets that not a lot of other people have the experience of, which is beautiful. I'm also part of the UAE Blockchain Council, which is working on integrating crypto into their city. Let's hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals and markets now. So we're going into the technical. Bitcoin is pumping 44,000 as predicted and beautiful. Look at that. We exactly hit, we're just a little bit. This is daily candles. So you're watching the Bitcoin price move. Each of these candles is 1 day. Look how close we came to my yellow line target, almost exactly touching it. And this is a good thing, everyone. It's creating a W formation. If we don't get, and we got rejected off there, like I said that I think we would at this yellow line, we got rejected, but we're still pushing it. It's building pressure. It's building pressure. If it explodes, we could have a huge movement for Bitcoin. The next resistance would be here at the 46,000. That's going to be a big resistance line at this 46,000 because it's the meeting point of that blue 2-year trend line that I've drawn and a big resistance line that we've had for a while. So this is a big moment at the 46K. But if it breaks through, and it looks like it will with this W formation with increasing volume down there, we could have a big movement for Bitcoin up to 52,000, which is going to be beautiful. The EMA ribbons on the daily are overbought. The stochastic is overbought on the daily, but on the weekly it's heading up strongly and volume picking up. Let's go into the 4-hourly. What's going to happen for the next few days? We're pushing up. It tried to wick down and got pushed up off the EMA ribbons, which are the moving average lines. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons. They're trying to turn to be going to a bull market again. Now we're quite high. The biggest support that we have is down here at the 39,000. So now we're up a lot above any major supports. We also have the next support is at the 40K. So right now, not much support, but there is also something that's propping up the markets, in my opinion. Terra Luna, which is a project that has a stablecoin, UST, one of the fastest growing projects. They are buying $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. The creator announced this. So that's 10 billion of buying pressure on Bitcoin. And at the moment, they only bought 750 million. And we had a huge pump up on Bitcoin with that buy from 40K to 44K. What happens when they do buy this further $9.25 billion worth of Bitcoin? Huge pumps could be on the way. So on the 4-hourly, let's check out. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hourly, so we could expect a pullback. But I think with this pressure, the FOMO from retail hasn't started. It's not retail buyers that have started buying yet. So I think we could get a big buying pressure. Stochastic going to the green side, squeeze them up to the green side. Money flow is still flowing in. I think we're going to have big pumps in Bitcoin. Bitcoin indicator bot still showing a buy. It didn't even flip. It fired a buy just recently. Crypto Guru bot still showing a buy. Look at that. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, calling it down here at 39,000. Still showing a blue buy all the way up at the 44K. We're looking really beautiful. So I think we're going to get a big pump up in Bitcoin. It's still looking bullish on the hourly. Also looking bullish. And it's just bull flagging up each time. Flag, movement up, bull flag. It's looking very bullish. bull flag, bull flag, bull. It's continuously moving up and making higher highs. But again, this point coming up at the 46K, 45K to 46K is one huge area of resistance. If Bitcoin can break through there, expect massive pumps. If you want to trade, I'm going to show you my trades now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, and you're going to see my accounts, underneath this video, you can join, you go to the comment section or the description, and you can see the links to my trading software. You get $8,200, not 100, $8,200 worth of sign-up bonuses when you sign up to Bybit and Femex. You get $4,100 each exchange when you sign up, but you have to deposit Bitcoin in there to get those bonuses. And I use Bybit the most, it's my favorite exchange, but I'm using both of them. You have to use NordVPN if you have any restrictions. These links are down below. You go down, you click these links, Bybit link, you sign up, and you get this trading software. In my Bybit account, I have $214,000, up $14,000 in the last 2 days, which is beautiful, around $7,000 a day. 214,000 USD, real money. I've got 2 Bitcoin, $89,000 worth of Bitcoin. I've got Bit, 50,000, almost $51,000 of Bit. I've still got 43,000 USD to buy more. I've got $21,000 of Cake. Cake is pumping since I bought it. And I've got just under $4,000 of ApeCoin. I have my Bitcoin long still open. Bitcoin long up now 48%. It's $11,000 long, 554. I will add more to this Bitcoin long if we break through that 46K resistance, because if we break through, 55K is possible. So that trade is up $500 from 2 days ago. This Ethereum trade is up 55%, $360 from a few days ago, which is beautiful. That's on that account. On my Femex account, my Bitcoin trade's also pumping. They're now $1,587 in the profits, $1,569 US in the profits. I've got a Bitcoin long with Bit USD perpetual up 0.27 Bitcoin trade up 8%, and a $22,000 Bitcoin USD margin trade up 22,000%. So $22,000 trade, so up 1,586 USD on those trades, which is very nice. So I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin, and I think the stock markets will also. Yesterday we had I made huge gains in the stock markets yesterday. Uber up 5%, Airbnb 4%, Coin 4%. Coin, I have huge amounts of Coin. I've been buying the bottom like crazy. And I think it has much more to go, actually. Look at this on the daily. Look at this. This is where I bought Coin, exactly on the bottom. And look where we could go if we reclaim. If war does not happen, we could be heading up massively. Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges. Facebook, I've also been buying up like crazy down here because we're on a support line that goes back to 2018, 4 years ago. And we're on that support line right now. Does it flip into resistance or does it break through is the question. I really like Cake. I think Cake is a big crypto. Look at this. At all-time high was almost up here at $45, now $7. Big pump up from the bottom when I called it a few days ago, $5.50, but it has a long way to go. I'm going to actually buy more Cake. If Bitcoin breaks through, I will buy more Cake up here, which is beautiful. So those are my trades. That's what I'm doing in the markets. Let's see what else. I'm speaking at the Metaverse event 26th of March. So tomorrow I'll be the speaker at the Metaverse World Conference in Dubai. If you want to come join at Festival City, I'll be one of the speakers. You guys are the funniest people I've ever seen. We love you, brother. God bless. Thank you, Shervin. He's talking about me and Slavic together, which are awesome. Your positive attitudes, it is infectious. Your prediction was 100% spot on. Thank you, Ruslan. Great content, James. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Catherine. Hey, thanks for the heads up. I was 20 times leverage, so I closed in profits, reopened in Bitcoin long with 10 times leverage. Definitely feels safer. Nice job, because we've been pumping. Ethereum surpasses Bank of America, MasterCard in market capitalization. Amazing. I met a 19-year-old who's a genius at one of the conferences yesterday. This guy's a genius, investing in Everdome, in Meta Hero, amazing projects, also an influencer. MCRT is doing a giveaway. The tokens, the NFTs will go live on the 31st of March. So on the 31st of March, Magicraft Genesis Collection will be released, which is going to be NFTs that will later be used inside the game. And we have staking coming soon for MCRT as well, with different staking options. It's just beautiful things that are developing. I'm the founder of MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. What do you think? Are we going to break through this 46,000 and go to all 55K and all-time new highs for Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. You're all an amazing group. My goal is abundance for all. I'm going to teach you and show you everything that I'm doing in the markets. You have to always be careful. Do your own due diligence. Do not trade or use leverage trading until you learn about trading. Make sure you learn and you understand what you're doing, because it is quite dangerous and you have to be an experienced trader. trader. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.